Aba obisa korwase wizara ya wachenu ime county ya Nyamira lithuria rero nigo baumirana n'ababwatani ao anene korwase kiombe kya banyagetari ya KMPDO nabo igo kiombe kya ba clinic officers erego kwanira igoro yo kubwatarana gokinwa bokoreri ase sector ya wachenu ime county ya Nyamira gekare kyo nigo kyara wono mwaziri bo wachenu ase county yo Dr. Timothy Mbati.
On this very wonderful day, when the health stakeholders are meeting to discuss matters that are affecting health and how we will work together moving forward. As you can see, I've been franked with my colleagues, the CEC members. There is also the team from health and the partners who've accepted to come and share with us or partake with us of this great day that we are having. Today, for the next 2 days, we'll be meeting to discuss on how we will work together. The partnership can be enhanced so that we can maximize on the service that we are giving and the support that the partners are giving in order to make sure that the services we are giving.
From His Excellency the Governor, I also want to thank the head of department, who is Dr. Mbati, who is the CC, for having an all-inclusive stakeholders meeting. We feel, as the union, we feel part of this county in terms of health matters, and this kind of relationship is going to help us work together to ensure that the residents of Nyamira County have the best affordable, quality and timely health care. So I have to applaud this, and we are very happy and we are going to support each other.